I'm sure many of you remember these units, the 2000 Lennox and Duquesne heat pumps. And it would appear that the Lennox might be getting replaced soon. There's all the inner workings right there. Or maybe not necessarily the inner workings, but all the stuff behind the panel. That's the defrost control board right there. And of course it has not been running. I was going to see if I can get a video of these units running in cool mode, but as you can see, neither of which are on. The Duquesne has been running, but the Lennox has not. Don't know what's up with it. Worked good for 22 years. Or I could be wrong. It might be a minor issue, but I will come back in the near future to see if it's been replaced. All right, out.